Good morning. It's not morning, but whatever. Have you ever heard a hoover that is louder than a jet engine? Well, I have. A while ago, my mum got a hoover from people I don't know, because I wasn't down there, I was upstairs. And she bought a hoover. It's not the most silent of them all, as I recommend. Sorry for those beeps if you heard them. Right, so headphone users, I recommend taking out your headphones. You will go deaf. It's like standing right next to a massive Boeing 747 jet engine. Right, so here's the hoover. I know, tiny innit? Really small, but extremely loud, as I will demonstrate to you now. It's really loud! It's really loud! And I have to live with this. I don't mind though, at least I'm not going to a place that is bloody loud. It sounds like 20 jet engines right next to your ear. Oh god, hold on. So as you can see, the hoover is very loud. I'm having to shout. It's that loud. I'm going to turn it off now. 20 jet engines. I wish. But it does bloody sound like a jet engine though. If you stood next to a jet engine, that's probably louder than a jet engine, I don't bloody know. But it's really loud. And I'm not a fan of that hoover. I swear I am not. But it's really powerful, it cleans really well. But I'd rather have a hoover that doesn't deafen you and doesn't really suck up stuff well than a hoover which makes you feel like you're standing right next to a jet engine. That's full blast. R.I.P headphone users. We now give a silence to remember the headphone users that died during this video. I pay my respects to those people. Maybe this will give you a hint not to wear headphones when there's really loud hoovers on the video. And yeah, headphone warnings and all that. So, vlogging, bye.